Day 2 of me making $1 million. So I built an app in just 24 hours without any coding experience. So what I'm building is called the Situationship Calculator. You can upload your text with your Pookie. We'll tell you if they actually like you and what you should do next. I've actually built a $1 million company before, but it took me 3 years, so this time I'm going to do it faster by teaching myself how to code and using AI. This company went through Y Combinator, the best startup accelerator. And the number one lesson that I learned there is to launch as fast as humanly possible. So that's my goal with the Situationship Calculator. That's why it's only day 2, and the app is almost done and ready to launch. Here's how I built the core of the app in one day using Claude, Cursor, and Lovable. So on day 1, I wrote out a spec of all of the features that I wanted and prioritized them so that I could launch ASAP, but only keep the minimum viable features. So on day 2, I uploaded that list to Claude, which is basically a competitor to ChatGPT, but it's better for coding. I told Claude to give me an execution plan and treat me like I'm a coding student, so explain everything to me. I told Claude that I was using Cursor to code, and then it told me what to tell Cursor in order to start writing my first lines of code. So then I had to download Cursor, and then I wrote my first line of code, which was actually API keys, so I could connect to OpenAI's API. Then I added $5 to my OpenAI account because it's about 1 cent every time a user uses your OpenAI API and calls the API, so I needed some money in the account. The minimum is $5. So far I've just spent $5. I kept asking Claude what to do next, and I would do whatever it told me and put it in Cursor. If I ran into bugs in Cursor, I would put the bug into Claude, and it would tell me what to do. After a few hours of Claude telling me what to tell Cursor, got the AI-powered text analysis to work for both screenshots and copy and pasted text, integrated OpenAI successfully, created proper error handling. I pushed the entire backend into my GitHub, which already actually has my front end that I built in Lovable a few days ago. Tomorrow, I'm going to connect the front end and the backend through Vercel, deploy the whole thing to a real URL so that we can officially launch. Plus, for day 3 of launch day, also subscribe to my YouTube channel where I'm going to be vlogging each week.